I've used this exact method last year to crush goals I thought were impossible. And I'm going to walk you through how you can do it too. This video isn't about vague motivational quotes or unrealistic goals. It's about a proven method to turn your dreams into actionable steps, no matter where you're starting from. By the end of these 5 minutes, you'll have a clear plan to make that happen by applying those 6 steps. Step 1. Reflect on 2024. What did you learn? Before we jump into creating a better 2025, let's pause and look back. What went well last year? What didn't? Most people skip this step, but it's crucial. Why? Because every mistake you made is a lesson waiting to be applied. Take 2 minutes and write down your top 3 wins from 2024. Your top 3 challenges or failures. Let me give you a pro tip. Look for patterns. For example, did procrastination stop you? Did you overcommit? Identifying this now will save you from repeating the same mistakes. Step 2. The one thing mindset. Here's a truth no one tells you. You don't need 10 goals. You need one goal that matters most. Why? Because focus creates success. For example, think about a camera. Leave the lens unfocused, and your picture is blurry. Adjust the focus, and suddenly, everything becomes crystal clear. That's how you should approach 2025. Zero in on what truly matters. Ask yourself, if I only accomplished one thing this year, what would make everything else easier or unnecessary? Step 3. Turn goals into habits. Big goals are exciting, but habits are what get you there. Let's break it down with an example. Your goal is to get fit in 2025. The habit would be, I'll walk 20 minutes every morning at 7 a.m. Let me give you a pro tip. Use the 2-minute rule. Start so small you can't fail. For example, instead of saying, I'll write a book, commit to writing 1 sentence a day. Small wins build momentum. Step 4. The time blocking secret. Here's the thing. If it's not on your calendar, it's not happening. Time blocking is the ultimate productivity hack. Want to learn a new skill? Block 30 minutes every Tuesday and Thursday. Protect that time like it's a meeting with your dream mentor. Here's a secret tip that will make a difference. Pair time blocking with accountability. Share your schedule with a friend or post it online to stay on track. Step 5. The power of mini wins. Most people quit because they don't see progress fast enough. The solution? Celebrate mini wins. For example, instead of waiting to celebrate losing 10 kilograms, celebrate every week you stick to your diet. Instead of waiting to launch your YouTube channel, celebrate when you script your first video. Why it works? Dopamine. Every celebration releases a burst of it, making you want to keep going. Step 6. Creating loops for accountability. Here's where we tie everything together. You need to keep yourself accountable. Create open loops in your life that make giving up uncomfortable. Now, here's your next step. Take 5 minutes today to reflect, choose your one thing, and create your first mini habit. And if you're serious about making 2025 your best year yet, watch the playlist on my channel where I'll guide you on how to reset your mindset. Remember, every big success starts with one small action. This is your moment. Make it count. Thank you for watching, and here's to making 2025 your best year yet.